Before you sign up for any online TRT clinic, you really need to hear what happened when I tested one of the big names out there. At first, I thought I'd found a good deal, but once I got into the process, things started piling up in a way I did not expect. I'll walk you through exactly what happened so you know what to look out for before spending your money. And just so you know, if after watching this you decide you're ready to start TRT for yourself, I've left a link in the description below and a QR code on screen where you could get my top recommended clinics at the best price available anywhere. Okay, let's talk about Peter MD because, well, you should probably hear this before you spend any money. So Peter MD is not just TRT. They have all kinds of treatments, women's health services, HGH, mental health stuff, and a lot more. That might be nice for some people, but when I'm looking for TRT, I want a clinic that focuses only on that and knows it inside and out. I do not want a place that's juggling every type of treatment under the sun, but I figured I would give them a fair shot anyway. Their starting price is $139 a month. At first, you might think that sounds fine, but once you dig in, you find out that barely covers anything. It is basically a quick consultation and a TRT medication, but not much more. After you sign up, the extra charges start rolling in for the things you actually need if you want the best possible treatment. That is when I started thinking, this is not what I signed up for. It felt like there was always another thing I had to pay for. Even during my consultation, they were pushing other services I did not ask for. That right there set a tone for the whole thing. It just gave me the feeling that they were just focused on squeezing more money out of me than figuring out what would actually help me. And then the shipping was slow. I mean, way slower than it should have been. I was sitting there waiting and getting more irritating day by day. Eventually, I just said, forget it, and send the package back without even using it. I'm not saying they are fake, because I'm sure they're a real clinic, but between the constant upselling, the extra costs piling up, and the slow delivery, I was done. No more Peter MD for me. So I moved to FountainTRT, and let me tell you, the difference was night and day. They keep it simple, one flat price of $199 a month, and that covers literally everything. Your medication, your lab work, doctor visits, shipping, follow-ups, all of it. You pay that one price and you're covered. No hidden fees, no surprise charge showing up later. From the very start, they felt way more chill to deal with. My first consultation with their doctors was the complete opposite of what I got from Peter MD. Instead of pushing me into a treatment right away, the doctor actually told me I should try making some lifestyle changes before I jump in. That was a big deal for me because it showed they did not just care about selling me something, but actually wanted me to feel better. When I eventually did start with them, my lab results showed my testosterone was improving, and I personally felt a difference in my energy and mood without stress of surprise cost every month. So if you're looking around for an online TRT clinic, I would say pay attention to how they handle pricing and whether they make you feel pressured. FountainTRT has been solid for me in that way. Again, make sure to check out the link in the description below or scan the QR code here to get the best price available. So guys, if you've tried Peter MD or any other TRT clinics, I would really like to hear about your experience and see how it lines up with mine. Just leave it in the comments below.